So today I filmed a quick get ready with me featuring this hair from her hair company. Now, oh my god, you guys, I think I literally found the best, most realistic frontal you will ever experience in your life. Just look at this. What is that? Like, is that lace? Are you serious? This is literally one of the best, bombest frontals I have ever experienced thus far. And you guys know I have experienced a lot of frontals in my time. Usually there's one or the other. So sometimes you'll get a bomb lace where the lace will look natural all by itself, and then sometimes you'll get a bomb textured hair. This one, the texture of the hair is so natural, so beautiful, so soft, so low maintenance. All I had to do was add a little bit of water and it brought back the curl so amazing. Bleach your knots, add water, and it's literally all you need. You don't need to pluck, you don't need to tweeze or anything like that. It just looks good all by itself. So if you want to hear all the details on this frontal, see where I got it, if you even want to see me slay it from start to finish, go ahead and keep watching. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button and subscribe so you'll never miss a video from me. Now let's get into the video. Enjoyed that quick little video from me. I had planned on doing some intricate styles. Eric and Tay posted the other day, Tiana Taylor, where he did these cute little buns with her frontal, and I was like, oh my god, that looks so good. But I figured this frontal is just too good to hide away. Like, if I do that, you guys won't even be able to see how bomb this frontal is. So maybe I'll do that in another video for you guys. If you want to see it featuring this hair, let me know. But this hair is so beautiful. It's so natural. If you don't mess up and bleach your baby hair like I did, you'll definitely be able to pull this off as if it's growing out of your scalp. The bundles themselves blend in amazing with it as well. I have the lengths specified in the description box for you guys. Now, I started to go ahead and slay this hair in a cute little style for you guys, and I just love the way the actual texture of the hair is. Isn't that beautiful? I also love how bomb this frontal is. I'm not sure if their website specifies that their frontals are pre-plucked, but they are definitely super thin, natural, exactly how you want it to be, and you don't have to do any work. Like, all I did was I trimmed the baby hair down super short. You'll see in the get ready with me, but I trimmed it super short using a little thing like this. This is the best thing to use if you want to make your baby hair not be so blunt and kind of natural, so that when you swoop it, it's not just perfectly blunt, if that makes any sense. And I swooped it up. Beforehand, I did bleach the knots off camera, and I also accidentally bleached the hairline a little bit, which is okay. It came with a great amount of baby hair, and when I bleached the knots, I forgot to kind of like brush the baby hair back so that it wasn't in the way of getting bleached. You know, when you bleach your knots, if that makes any sense. If you've ever bleached your knots, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But like I said, I really did not want to style this hair. Once I started wetting it up and playing with it, and I seen how naturally beautiful this texture was, I was like, if I put it in a bun or some twist or whatever, I'm gonna just be hiding this gorgeous texture. So instead of doing that, I just left it natural to give you guys, you know, exactly what it is. I never just wear my hair straight back with no parting, but with this frontal, you definitely can get away with doing that, and it looks really good. The only thing that's gonna throw you off is that, like I said before, I did go ahead and accidentally bleach the baby hair, which you can easily fix that with a little bit of box dye or some cellophane. I have all of the details on this hair in the description bar for you guys to check out, as well as a link to purchase your own. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have a $500 giveaway going on right now. I have contests. I have so much going on, so I'm going to leave all that stuff in the description bar for you guys to check out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.